I had to make a crazy intro because I'm doing some crazy things on YouTube. I am asking Jennifer Aniston out on a date. Still no response. Will be my third video. You know, she's probably not getting them yet, but she will. I know she will. I have faith. Gotta have that. You gotta have faith. Little George Michael for y'all. I shaved because girls like the day scruff, not really the all scruff. Maybe I should get a haircut too. But I'm growing my hair out. I've been growing my hair out, Jennifer, for an entire year. Means I'm committed. Some other more things about me. I have 3 sisters and a brother. I play guitar. I love dogs. They're so cute and cuddly. I love cats, but I can never finish a whole one. I'm just kidding. I've never eaten cat, I think. Um, yeah. Uh, it's just, I'm 20 years old, almost 21. I've only had 2 girlfriends, so, I mean, there's no sweeter meat than me. That's, yeah. Okay, so Jennifer Aniston, please go out with me. Hope this doesn't seem like begging. Not really begging, I'm just making videos, asking you out. You don't succeed, try again. And you use new tactics. Surprise attacks. That's why I came in from the side. And, this is a part of my house! I think it flew out the window. Anyway, people on YouTube watching my video, if you comment, and my friends, if you comment on this video on the YouTube site, I will thank you by name. Yes, I will thank you by name. Should be an incentive to get it around the world. Alright, thank you. Bye.